are going to talk about sports in Mexico. The sports that have their origin in Mexico, in our country, are few, but we are going to talk about two. The first one is La Pelota Mixteca, that have their pre-Hispanic origin in Oaxaca, and it faces two teams of 5 players of independent team. It plays in a large court of approximately 100 meters and 27 meters. This sport is distinguished because we use a leather glove of cotton or web, and we use a rubber ball to play, and this is a big or medium ball, and we have 3 variants of this sport. In the rubber ball, we have a glove that it have a dimension of 23 centimeters and 11 centimeters. And the ball have 15 and 12 centimeters, depending what ball we are playing, with the medium or the big ball. The second is the linear ball. In this, we have a glove that is of cotton, and the ball materials is wood. We have not rubber in this case, and the last one is the sponge ball. In this, the material of the ball is only a sponge, and we use little base of 20 centimeters for 20 centimeters that is currently for wood or some material that is organic. The sponge ball, is the most ancient of the 3. We have data that tell us that have 3,000 years.
Okay.
And
the ball race or Rarayipoami is an ancestral competition of Raramuri or Tarahumara people. It consists of kicking a wooden ball with the instep while running long distances for a day or more. A test of endurance, spirituality, and community spirit. The participants are men, barefoot or wearing sandals, huaraches, running across rough terrain. The ball is carved from durable wood, oak or madrón. The race has profound spiritual meaning, as it is meant to give strength to the world and ensure successful harvests. It's believed that if the Raramuri stopped running, the sun would stop and the world would cease to exist. By kicking the wooden ball, the runners symbolize the movement of the stars, and by striking the ball, they help the sun on its journey across the sky. Running these seemingly impossible distances is a form of prayer and gratitude to Onuroame, a purifying act that strengthens the spirit of the community.
Now, in international sports, we will present chess boxing and extreme ironing. Chess boxing with this motto, the fight is in the ring and the words are fought on the board. This sport combines the strategy of chess with the physical exhaustion of boxing. The goal is to find the most equilibrated athlete. Equipment needed for this sport is a pair of boxing gloves, noise-cancelling headphones, and obviously a chessboard. The 2 participants face off in 11 rounds, where the first and the last are chess. 6 of the 11 rounds is by chess and the rest 5 is boxing. The chess is rapid, so it lasts at least 3 or 5 minutes, and the boxing is amateur, so each round is about 3 minutes. Between each round is 1 minute free time, so people calm down. To win in chess by resignation, checkmate, or when the opponent's time runs out, between 9 and 12 minutes. In box by knockout or technical knockout, and the judge decision. This happens when there is no knockout and there is no winner in the chess match. So the judge decides the winner based on the points in the boxing match. In the case of a tie in points, then the winner is the one who plays with the black pieces because he plays with a disadvantage.
Have extreme ironing. This is one of the worst straight-just sports, and its essence is captured in this model. The thrill of an outdoor activity combined with the satisfaction of a well-ironed shirt. For the challenge to be considered valid, a garment must actually be ironed. It must be noticeable more than before starting. Obviously, using a real iron. Although depending on the environment, it may or may not be plugged in. The ironing board must be stable, and the ironers generally practice these sports on mountain peaks, on top of trees, or in heavy traffic. They must actually be iron. It must be noticeable.
¡Salimos! Te estás grabando, Tú sigue grabando.
No, corta eso.
No,